Sis.
Yes.
I am done with breakfast.
Okay.
Once Daddy is ready to eat, you just serve him.
No problem.
Please, remember, just healthy meals only.
Noted.
Thank you. I have to run along now.
Right.
I need to get to work.
Have a nice day.
Oh, you too. And if you need anything, please call me.
All right.
Bye. Okay, bye.
Oh, good morning, sir.
Hello, Peace. How are you?
I'm fine. Your food is ready.
Okay.
Olivia prepared breakfast before leaving.
The house looks sparkling clean.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Thank you. All right.
I'll go upstairs now. I'll start with your room.
All right. Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, I'm done cleaning and everywhere is neat. Is there anything else you'd like me to do for you?
No, thank you, Peace.
Okay.
Hello, boo-boo. Now what is this? Come on, shoo-shoo! Shoo!
Ma, I was just asking him a question.
If you were asking my boo-boo a question, you have to stay 100 miles away from him. Get out, too!
Stop it. Stop it.
Stop what, sugar? No, you should stop it. Of course, I know the games you're trying to play with me. Do you think I'm daft? Hell no, I'm not. So what are you waiting for? Get lost!
Excuse me, sir, ma. I'll go make lunch now.
Did you just call me, ma'am? Oh, you just called me, ma'am, to make me feel old. Just take a look at me. I am too hot. Okay? 16 at heart. You might even be older than me, mama. Baby. Hey, boo-boo. Boo-boo. Sugar head? Just smile for the camera, baby. Oh. Honey?
You're such a drama queen.
Oh, please.
But if that will make you happy, let's go there.
Let's go there, baby. Now, say cheese.
Cheese.
No, come on. Sugar, your face isn't good. Come on now. Stop keeping your face like, a gege bread that an angry baker just baked. Baby, I need you to smile for the camera. Smile, baby. Let's go there, sugar. Come on, that's what I'm talking about, baby. Now, help me say cheese, baby.
Cheese.
Let me tell you what you don't know. Now, this is what is in vogue. I'm telling you, this is how love should be. Okay? Not those years or those days when we used to write some love letter. You are the sugar in my tea. The cockroach in my cupboard that is smelling. Hell no. Come on. You see, right now, I need you to give me a Jane-Z pose. You are gonna do like this. Now that's what I'm talking about. Baby, let's do it. A Jane-Z pose. What is funny, sugar. I need a Gen Z pose. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Sugar, do it. That's it, sugar. That's the spirit. Now let's go, honey. Gen Z pose. Now that's what I'm... Baby, can you just get up for me? Just, give me that vibe. Give me that vibe. Now that's what I'm talking about. Now let's do it. Let's do it this way. Okay? That's it, sweetheart. Hold me.
She's so annoying. How on earth did she manage to get my dad to say yes to dating again?
Now that's it. That's it.
Not just dating. How did she get him to agree to do this nonsense childish stuff?
Give me that Gen Z vibe, baby. Ooh! That's it! Grab the West! Now that's what I'm talking about. Let's do it, baby.
I wish I had some veto power to separate them.
Sugar! No, sugar, you don't have to laugh. Come on. You're laughing as if you're
Lord
mocking
help
me.
me. Lord help me. Lord help me.
Mom would roll over in her grave if she saw this circus.
Lord just gave you what you needed. Grab it like it's yours. Let's dance, baby. No, come on, come on. That's no, baby. You should have known.
Gosh, that's so going to torment my dreams.
We have to dance. Listen, you know those Obi, yeah?
Take it easy, baby.
Oh, come on. You don't need to tell me that. Listen, I'm going to caption you. Hashtag soft life with my bobo. Hold me very well, baby. Say cheese for the last time. Say cheese.
Cheese.
That's it, sugar. I need to save this. I need to post it. That's what I'm talking about.
You need to post it?
Why not, baby? I love you.
Excuse me. I would like to have a word.
Darling, darling. You are always serious, fine girl. You loosen up a bit. Because of high blood pressure.
Keep your unsolicited advice and compliments. I don't have time for jokes. I have work. I'm not jobless like you.
Jobless? Oh, thanks to your papa. Your daddy employed you in his company, huh? Let me tell you something you don't know, sugar. When I was your age, I already built my company from scratch. No pressure, no pressure. Relax. You don't have to be as smart and genius as I am. Chill, chill. So what's the emergency?
I am not going to indulge in this nonsense you're trying to display here. No? I just have a question for you.
Shoot it.
Don't you think those shenanigans in there with my father is a bit, too much for an old woman?
Old?
Yeah, I mean, at your age, you should know.
Calm down, sugar. I am just 16 years old at heart. Relax, sugar. I'm a very strong woman. Trust me. My knees are so strong. Can you see that? Very strong knees. And I am agile in the Azarim. Don't play if you know what I'm talking about. Calm down, calm down. Don't catch fire yet. Calm down. Let me tell you something. My age, at heart, nothing but 16 years. And you at heart, you are 120 years old. Mama?
What?
Grandma? That's who you are. Oh, please, just pardon my bluntness. I know you cannot handle it. But let me tell you something, my sugar hurt. I think what you need is just a man. A very strong man. Who will satisfy you, take good care of you, just like the way your daddy, my boy, takes good care of me.
How dare you?
How dare I what?
Insult me in the presence of your staff.
My staff, relax. It don't matter. We'll just take a chill pill. I am saying the truth. You need a man, a very good man, and I think you need help. Also, till then, bye. Oh, baby. Let me tell you something. I have a lunch date with your daddy tomorrow, so I need to go select good dress. Because I am going to dress to kill tomorrow. Watch me. Open the door. What are you waiting for? Nonsense.
Daddy,
Yes, my daughter.
we need to talk. Dad, that woman is a lot. And by a lot, I mean a whole buffet of crazy.
Come on, Olivia. She's just a breath of fresh air. Very interesting. And a cure for my retired, lonely and bored life.
A breath of fresh air, you say? She's a disaster sent from the pit of hell to bring chaos into your life. Our lives, actually. A ticking time bomb.
Watch it, young lady. That's my woman you're talking about. All right? And I never complained to you. Neither did I ask you to save me, did I?
Dad, love is a scam. Yes, people are bad. People are deceitful. And you know I'm talking from experience. I wouldn't want you to get heartbroken, not at this age. It could kill you. Moreover, remember we agreed not to let certain people into our lives. We can just let these strangers walk into our safe space. Daddy, we're doing just fine. Just us two. Before this, your newfound relationship or whatever you call it.
My princess, I mourned your mom for over 10 years, for over a decade, all right? And she would want me to move on. And for your information, Lady B is not a stranger. She's my babe now.
Babe.
Yes.
Oh, great. Because nothing screams babe like an old 53-year-old woman acting like a Gen Z.
Listen, she's young at heart. And I like her like that, all right? So don't be angry.
Daddy, I am not angry. I'm just concerned. Concerned that you're replacing Mom. You're replacing her with a confused version of the Disney princess. She's old. She knows her age. You gotta act accordingly.
Listen, face your own life, my princess. All right? How does your generation say it? Drink water and mind your business. And for your information, your mom is irreplaceable. All right? I'm just trying to live again. Be happy. That's it. Relax. Wow.
Right on time, Daddy. Breakfast has been served. I have also prepared lunch, and you can have that whenever you're ready.
Thank you so much, my beautiful Princess Olivia. You're a lifesaver.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Can you also give these instructions to the workers?
What's this? Oh, probably a secret mission to save the construction site.
Just make sure they don't build the foundation on the wrong side of the plot.
I know. I learned from you. And so far, so good. It's been going well.
Thank you for holding the fort since my retirement. You have been a lifesaver.
I know. Someone has to keep the Roberts dynasty running while you're busy being boo-boo to that annoying woman.
Watch it, my princess. Lady B is a lovely woman.
Indeed.
She might be your mother very soon.
Dad.
So be careful.
Dad, please.
Please go to work.
I'm
Let
not
me eat
finding
my
this
meal.
funny. Bye.
I'll enjoy this meal so much.
Please
my goodness.
eat healthy. Don't eat any other thing.
Wow. All right.
I am hotter than the hottest. I am hotter than the hottest. Can't you greet me? Must I touch your butt before you greet Olivia?
Olivia.
Come and twist my mouth to call you that thing. Your name is Oliver. Oliver Twist. You want some more? Or better still, Oliver the Coco Dogwo. Let's go. I am hotter than the hottest. Very hot woman. Grandma. Shoo. Is your papa at home waiting for me? Nonsense.
Can you please move the car? Like, I can't even spend time with my father anymore. Or have you, my only guest in the house, because she's always around him. Like, she's so jobless. Imagine how stressful today was. When I get home, I will still have to face her.
I can understand.
Thank you. Like, but you know what I don't understand? Is why my father keeps acting like a teenager, indulging her. They're acting all lovey-dovey, Snapchatting at his age. Come on. I mean, he was a very serious and focused man.
Listen, I can't even lie. I understand where all this is coming from. As a man, I'm talking about your father. I feel like he's beginning to get his groove back. Yeah, and if I'm being honest, you should be happy for him. Okay, listen, I get it. It's fine if you don't believe in love, but then you can't dictate when or who your father chooses to love.
Love? Scam. You see that woman? She's so going to break his heart.
Really?
I bet it.
That's okay. You're entitled to your opinion, right? But you can't shove it down your dad's throat. The right to love is a fundamental human right, after all.
It can. I don't even understand. Are you for me or you're against me?
Oli, come on. I'm for you and you know it.
Then support me. Act like you're for me.
Okay.
Because it feels like you're just going against everything I say.
Wow. Emotional blackmail at its peak. Only you know what? Listen. I know you're tired, like you said. Just go home and rest. Okay? It's been a long day.
It has actually. Thank you. Thank you for being so understanding and for keeping me company now that that woman has taken my daddy away from me.
Always my pleasure. Alright? Tell your father I'll come around and visit him next time. Okay?
Okay.
Send me well to our lover boy.
Oh, please.
Drive safe, okay?
You too.
Take it easy. Don't think about it so much. It's
I'll
not that
try
deep.
not to. I'm not
Okay.
promising.
Drive safe.
Take it easy. Take it easy.
That I finally find you. All my days, I pray for someone like you, and I know that you still love me too. And I know that you still love me too. Okay. Baby, rate my performance.
That was a Grammy performance.
Ah.
Indeed, a Grammy rendition.
Rendition? The only fault I have is that I know too much. I wonder why record labels are not looking my way. They're lost. What's my business? I think. Huh. That Queen Solo. On your camera, me. I think.
Good evening, Daddy.
Welcome back, my princess. Greet my lady.
Greet me for once.
Hi.
Ow! Chineke. If only I can buy somebody. Your daughter's high could have buyed me. Thank Jehovah, Emmanuel, that I cannot buy. You high Nkegi. Why are you looking at me? Ooh, I better be on my way before she bites me. I love you. I love you.
I love you too.
Thank you, Baba. That's what I'm talking about. Love you. Let me go before you bite me. You want to bite me? Miss Solo, I think I do know. Bye. Bye. Bye, Boo Boo.
Bye.
Okay. She's gone. What is this mess? Why? She's a woman, for Christ's sake. She's supposed to be organized. Daddy, you're pre-diabetic. Why do you keep letting her make you take alcohol?
She doesn't like to drink alone. And besides, there's nothing wrong with a little wine from time to time.
When did you start being this carefree? And I'm sorry to say, I'm serious.
Olivia.
Daddy, there are priests and eunuchs that haven't been with women before and they are doing just fine.
Olivia, it is not the same thing when you have tasted love and companionship.
That. Okay. It's fine. I better get back to my chores from work. Enough with the love lecture. Continue. Daddy, please. Again. What is this? Eh? Why can't she just clean up after herself? Is it a big deal? Daddy, this is ridiculous. Honestly, I'm not finding this funny anymore. Must she leave a mess everywhere she goes? Like every time she comes here, she must leave something behind. Like look at this. It's not a lot. She can just clean up, keep things where they're supposed to be, wash the dishes.
Olivia, please don't make a big deal out of this. Okay? You know, she's not used to working or doing chores. She has maids and servants attending to her every need. You know, I'll help with the dishes.
Don't bother.
But
That's
I want to.
Daddy, you know I don't like you stressing. Not for me, not for anyone. You just stay back and enjoy. This is your retirement period. You've worked hard enough already. Okay.
You pamper me so well, Olivia. You're a good daughter, and I appreciate you big time.
I appreciate and love you.
I love you too. Okay, I'll keep you company.
Okay, that's fine.
So, how was your day?
Splendid. Oh, that reminds me. Ken actually came. Yeah, I was on my way back from work when he got here, so I just asked him to wait at the gate.
Why? You should have invited him in.
Oh, with that woman in the house. Daddy, it's not possible. He actually wanted to, say hi to you, but I didn't want him to witness any form of drama.
Olivia. Lady B is actually a nice lady. She's just being funny and witty. Don't take her words seriously. She's just trying to be funny. Seriously. I bet that you guys will get along sometime soon.
Sometime never.
Boo-boo. Just take a look at the way you're watching me as if you're watching photos. Come on. I've been drinking. I need you to take a sip. Just drink with me, okay? You know I hate it when I drink alone.
From now henceforth, no more wine for me.
Says who?
The doctor says I'm pre-diabetic.
Pre-diabetic? It don't matter. Come on. It's nothing serious. I mean, it means your blood sugar is a little high, just little high at your age. You know, it's your age. It doesn't matter. Don't mind those doctors. They don't want you to have fun while you're still alive. Please. Even if it's just little, just sip. Then they're giving me those vibes, you know. That's it. All right?
Okay. Just a little sip.
Just a little sip. I'll pour for you. All right then.
That's what I'm talking about, baby. My boo-boo. Boo-boo-boo-boo.
Just a little sip.
Oops. Take baby.
Drink up, baby. That's what I'm talking about.
Just a little sip.
Just a sip. Drink. Daddy. Dad. What are you doing?
Ha!
You're not supposed to take sweet things. You know that already.
Pepper body. Calm down. You just come to kill our joy now. We were having fun before you just came in. Please allow the man to enjoy himself.
Enjoy himself. Wow. You know, you're right, actually. Age is just a number. It doesn't ensure wisdom. Because I expect that you would know that if he doesn't adhere to his health warnings, he can become full-blown diabetic.
Full-blown diabetic. It's just diabetes, oh, not full-blown AIDS. So take a chill pill.
Just.
Ha!
Did you hear your... Did you just say just?
Just calm down on your car, mami. Da, Auntie Solo, mother of Zebediah.
Oh, yeah, now. What do you want to give him? I'm asking you.
Oh, yeah, go and get the fruit juice. What are you still waiting for?
We don't have fruits in the house, you know that.
How will I know? Am I on your car, mami, here like you? You have wisdom, Metusela. Wani mochi. Go get the fruit juice. Go and get it. You wanted your daddy to know that you love him so much more than me. Now you do not even have fruit juice.
Lady B, Lady Z, Lady whatever they call you, stop giving my daddy drinks. Please. It's that simple. Stop it. Please.
Oh yeah, calm down, paper body. Go and get the fruit
please,
juice.
the two of you should stop bickering. Please.
No, wait. Go get the fruit juice.
What is wrong with you?
What?
Are you a kid?
Please.
I am still Jane Z. You're Methuselah. Like 100 million times to you too.
Daddy. Daddy, I've been thinking. I think it's best you or we get help with someone who can take care of you. I mean, handling the company and also the house chores isn't letting me be as effective as I would want to. And if I'm being honest, Lady B isn't actually helpful.
Olivia, you know Lady B is not my maid. She doesn't owe me a thing.
I'm not saying she's your maid. Fine, just let me get help. Someone that can assist with the house and also take care of you.
You know very well that we have a policy of not letting strangers into our home.
Oh, you already broke that policy.
How?
You let a stranger into this house.
She's not a stranger.
Oh, that's the same way the help won't be a stranger when they get to know us.
Olivia. Okay. Since you won't allow me to help you out with the chores because I've been diagnosed as pre-diabetic. Go ahead and arrange it. I trust your judgment.
Thank you, Daddy. I'll handle it.
Good. How was your day?
It's okay. Project's progressing very well.
That's good.
Daddy? I contacted the agency and they said they will send over a well-trained house help. But I want her to resume on Saturday so that I can be home to discuss and, show her around.
Okay, sounds good.
Bibble! Must she come here every day?
She's retired like me. That's how we spend our retirement. Keeping each other company and making each other happy. My lady, how are you?
I'm here, boo-boo. Oh, darling, darling. Oh, what are you eating?
Oh. President General, Miss Madame, Auntie. Okay, fine. Since you don't want to greet me, allow me to greet you this morning. Good morning, Miss Madame. My great, grand, wicked mother-in-law. Nonsense, girl. What?
Lost my appetite. I have to go to work.
Oh. Is this how you waste food? My goodness, a baby girl is not supposed to waste food like this. You are naughty. Boo-boo, this your baby girl needs help.
She'll come around. And please, mind the words you use around her. I don't want both of you being at loggerheads with each other. I want peace.
No, what did I say wrong? I mean, I came in here. She refused to greet me. I greeted her. I even shouted praises. I mean, President General, great grand, wicked mother-in-law. All right.
You too, huh? Anyways, I'll be patient.
When your name is not Patience. Hey. Go ahead and eat.
Oh my peace. What are you doing here?
Olivia. Wait, this is your house?
Yeah, it is.
Wow. Well, I am the corporate maid assigned to this house.
No.
Yes.
No, that's not possible, peace. What happened? Your dad was well-to-do. You were well taken care of back then in school. So what happened?
It's a long story.
Please, I have all the time in the world right now, so tell me, what happened?
My dad passed away. He got sick. He had kidney issues. And we lost everything. Flying him from one country to another, trying to save his life. Afterwards, we incurred a lot of debt. I had to work so hard to pay off those debts. But unfortunately, I couldn't finish school. I was in my first year as a medical student when it happened. So now I'm just still working so I can save up money and go back to school. It's okay.
I can't believe this. I'm so sorry, okay?
It's okay.
I'm sorry you went through all this.
It's fine. That's life.
One thing I do know is that you're not going to work here as a maid. It's not even possible. I probably will have to get you a job in our company. No, you don't have to worry. I will speak to the agency. They'll get us another maid.
No, I can't. Okay, I already signed a contract with the agent, and I have to give them a 2 months notice before I quit. They might not be able to send someone here. You're lucky I'm here, because the last couple I served traveled abroad. And you know people don't like to do work like this.
That's true though.
Yeah.
Everybody's looking for the easy way out. I'm just glad you stayed with the same values you had back then in school.
Yeah. There's dignity and integrity in labor.
Of course. Always been hard. Oh,
Now what's going on here?
Oh, good day, sir. Good day, ma.
Daddy?
You both seem to know each other.
Of course. Daddy, life is actually so short. So, the corporate maid that was sent to us from the agency, it turns out she was my classmate back in school and her name is Peace.
Off and on, Peace. Hold on. What's that? Peace? Her name? Corporate maid? Classmate? Way back in secondary school? Everything put together? What are you not telling me? Great granny mother-in-law. Have mercy on your daughter-in-law, I'm begging you. Please stop treating me like this. What's your plan now?
Please, please,
Let's know your plan, confess.
please.
Is it that you don't understand simple English?
Of course I don't.
So, I should explain better.
Go ahead.
Okay. This is the corporate maid. My classmate, my friend, and her name is Peace.
Oh, just shut it! Okay, who corporate mate? Who kankaka? Who what? Secondary school, my foot. Hold on. Why is your name Peace? I'm asking you. Talk. What are you trying to do? Wicked, great, grand, ancestor, mother-in-law.
Daddy,
What is your plan? Say it. Nonsense.
Let's discuss this. Come
What are we going to discuss? Why is your... No! I need to find out.
Let's
Why is your name Peace?
Let's discuss.
Of all the names in the world, why Peace? Can't you answer some of the names? Why Peace? Oh, do not push me down like that.
she, you will know her better. And honestly, I am so sorry. You're going to see more and more of this drama as long as he keeps dating her. Okay, but it's fine. Let's go inside. I'll take you to your room. Come along. Let's go.
I'm talking and you're still taking her upstairs where my boo-boo's room is. What's all this?
It's okay.
Come on, come down.
It's all right. Listen, my lady. Please. I need you to comport yourself in front of the new maid. First impressions matter.
How on earth can I compact myself? I'm asking you, can you start explaining why she's been called Peace? Why is her name Peace? Of course, lately you've been shouting, I need peace, I need peace, I need... Hold on. Is this a conspiracy? Boo-boo, are you trying to get rid of me?
Certainly not.
Ah.
Look, don't make a fuss of this. You know you're an overthinker, but please don't overthink this. All right? I just want peace.
You just mentioned peace again. Why would you mention peace again? And you said I should not overthink it. Now this is crazy. Peace everywhere. Peace, peace.
Listen. What I mean is this. I don't need all the stress. I don't need the drama. I'm too old for it. Please.
Robot, Robert, I need you to start talking.
It's Robert. I'm not a robot.
Why are you correcting me all of a sudden? Is it because the girl is here? You're trying to make her fall in love. Can you imagine the way you shake your mouth? It's Robert. It's Robert. What's that? What's your plan? I need you to confess. You think I don't know? My head is full. I hate this already. Robert, my head is just heavy. Of course, look at my head is just knocking boom, 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 like a retired church bell. Why? That's because I am thinking 100 different things at the same time in this head. Just because I'm in love with you. And before you know it, I will lose my mind and go crazy. And you will take me to psychiatric hospital. All in the name of love. I bind it. Oh, Jesu Christ, wow. Amen. 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 In the name of Jesus. What's all this? I need to go now. I need to go process this whole thing.
All right. Take care of you. I'll call you when you get home, all right?
Just like that? What is all this? You cannot even put little, pressure just to tell me stay. I need you to stay. I'll be on my way. Before I say something nasty to you that I will regret. You know me, my mouth isn't that good. Nonsense.
Gosh, what is this? Peace. I'd like to express my deepest condolences to you in respect of your father's passing away.
Thank you, sir.
I have an idea. Why don't I send you back to school while you still work for us? What I mean is, you go and retrieve your admission. I'll pay for every expense and still pay you your salary.
Really, sir?
Really.
Thank you, sir. Sir, thank you so much.
It's okay. Please stand up. Get up. Sit down.
Sir, God bless you.
God bless you too. I'm simply doing what I would expect someone else to do for my Olivia. God forbid if anything ever happens to me.
Yes.
Take Olivia as your sister
Exactly.
and welcome to our family.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Olivia. Thank you, sir.
I finally have a sister. Yes.
Oh my God. I'm just overwhelmed. I don't know what to say.
It's okay.
I'm short of words, sir. God bless you.
God bless you too.
Thank you, Daddy.
Anything for you.
I have a sister.
All right. I'll go up to my room.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir. God sent me to this house. Because what are the odds? I've been working my whole life and
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
thank you so much.
It's okay. It's okay. No, don't do that. It's okay. Don't. It's fine. It's okay.
My dad is pre-diabetic, so I don't want him to take wines or artificial drinks. I just want him to stick to fresh fruit juice. Okay. Don't worry. I'll take absolutely care of him. Okay?
Trust you. So glad you're here, honestly.
Thank you.
Sis,
Yes.
I am done with breakfast.
Okay.
Once Daddy's ready to eat, you just serve him.
No problem.
Please, remember, just healthy meals only.
Noted.
Thank you. I have to run along now. I need to get to work.
Have a nice day.
Oh, you too. And if you need anything, please call me.
All right.
Bye. Okay, bye.
Oh, good morning, sir.
Hello, Peace. How are you?
I'm fine. Your food is ready.
Okay.
Olivia prepared breakfast before leaving.
The house looks sparkling clean.
Oh, thank you,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you. All right.
I'll go upstairs now. I'll start with your room.
All right. Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, I'm done cleaning and everywhere is neat. Is there anything else you'd like me to do for you?
No, thank you, Peace.
Okay.
Hello, Boo Boo. Now what is this? Come on, shoo! Shoo!
Ma, I was just asking him a question.
If you were asking my Boo Boo a question, you have to stay 100 miles away from him. Get out too!
Stop it. Stop it.
Stop what, Sugar? No, you should stop it. Of course, I know the games you're trying to play with me. Do you think I'm daft? Hell no, I'm not. So what are you waiting for? Get lost!
Excuse me, sir, Ma. I'll go
What?
make lunch now.
Did you just call me, ma'am? Oh, you just called me, ma'am, to make me feel old. Just take a look at me. I am too hot. Okay? 16 at heart. You might even be older than me, Mama. Mm-hmm. Who knows? It might even be plastic surgery that you're using to cover up. Rubbish. Get out.
Peace, you can go.
Okay, sir.
Did you just call her Peace? I'm asking you, Peace? No!
Look, will you stop being petty and... What's the matter with you?
Petty? I'm being petty now.
Stop being childish and petty.
Try this again. No, I will not
Stop
take this.
this. Look, you know I don't like to see you cry. Stop.
But you're the one making me to cry. What's all this? How dare you call her Peace?
That's her name.
No! Her name should be War. I used to be your peace of mind. Now you are calling that girl Peace? What is all this? Let me tell you something. That was how my late husband started. Of course. He cheated on me with one useless bitter 16, trying to claim that she's sweet 16. And now take a look at you, trying to do the same thing. I will not allow it happen. It took me years to get a man.
It's all right. Stop this. Stop it.
I know.
Today drained me.
It's not easy being a working class lady.
Please,
All right.
Oh, it's actually for you. I got them for you.
For me.
Mm-hmm.
I don't understand.
I just stopped by at the boutique to get you some clothes.
Oh my god!
Something to make you comfortable.
Oh, sis, thank you!
Please, that's enough.
Oh my goodness!
That's enough. I hope you like them.
Hey, of course! Why would I love it? Oh my god.
You want to make me cry. Oh, thank you.
I've been trying to convince you for 3 days now, my lady. You need to trust me.
Did you just say trust? Hell no, there is no way I would trust you, men. I don't trust men. I don't trust women. Of course, they are descendants of Adam and Eve.
Look, I know you had an ugly experience in the past with your ex, but don't let your past destroy our today.
Wine for you, ma'am. Sir, I brought you a cucumber.
Thank you.
Jesus! You brought what? His cucumber! What are you talking about? Girl, hold on. You brought this too. Cucumbers. His cucumber.
What?
Girl, you are spoiled. Are you trying to pass a message?
What are you trying to insinuate?
Boo-boo, she's a lady. We are ladies. She knows what I'm talking about.
Ma'am, I didn't mean it in a bad way. He needs to eat healthy. Cucumber is good for him.
As what? Dr. Mbojirikwe? Is that it? Dr. Cucumber? Dr. Extraordinaire? Of all the fruits in the world, you chose these big cucumbers and you said, take your cucumber! Girl, you are a spot bitch.
What?
Why don't you open up your pum-pum? Let him put his cucumber.
No, she won't do that. You're beginning to stress me. I don't know for how long I can take this.
You will not eat it. You will never eat this cucumber.
You're stressing me now. I will adhere to my doctor's advice and eat healthy. Peace, you can go.
What? Did you just call her Peace again?
It's her name.
Again? Peace? No, this girl's name should be War. Because this name came from the pit of hell. Of course I know what this girl is trying to do. To tell you that her name is Peace while I look like I am your heart attack. Eh? But I know the God I serve. Oluwa! Oluwa will do something. When I will rise in God's glory to Kabash. Hey! Oluwa will do something for me. You will not eat this.
Listen. I don't know for how long I can take this. You need to stop right now.
No. It is you who needs to stop. Stop calling War peace. I am your peace of mind. You will not eat this cucumber. I am trying to protect my territory. Are you grabbing it?
You haven't told me how many girls you dated in this estate.
There is nothing to tell because I haven't dated any.
If I hear you, I know that they were all falling for you, so stop with the humbleness.
Well, yeah. But then again, they were not my spec, so nothing happened.
Okay, if you say so.
By the way, you seem to be in a lighter mood today. Tell me, did your dad finally promise to jilt your stepmother? What?
First off, I don't have a stepmother. But you're right. I am in a lighter mood.
And that's because I finally got help with someone to take care of my father.
Really?
Yes. And the great thing is, she's someone I know. Like, we went to the same secondary school. She was a very good friend of mine. And it's just, wow. Life.
Olivia, you went to a really expensive secondary school. How is it possible that this girl is now a maid?
Life happened.
Hmm.
Her father became sick and they had to fly him to different countries. And the sad thing is, he didn't even make it. But they lost everything in the process. And she had to resort to doing jobs like this to sustain herself and her family.
Wow. That's sad.
It is.
So why don't you have her work at your company instead and find another maid?
I wanted to do so. Honestly, I really wanted to do so. But my father wants her to complete school. She couldn't because of everything that happened. She was actually studying medicine and in her first year when her father died. So he wants her to complete her education and, take it off from there.
She seems brainy.
She was very, actually.
Mm.
She was top of the class, followed by me. It was so hard to beat her.
Okay. Someone is blowing her trumpet. No problem. That's okay.
You two will make a perfect couple.
Oh, please.
That's true.
Olivia, please. No.
I should call her so you guys can meet.
Olivia, okay. Stop. First off, I'm not a fan of match made love or whatever. No, I don't do that. Just rest, I beg.
Which rest? I'm not resting. Let me go call her, in fact.
Olivia, can you imagine? I actually have an appointment to catch in the next 30 minutes. Thank you so much. I have to go. Come here.
You're looking for your way to run, right?
I'm not running.
You want to run?
I am not running.
You want to? You can't escape
I have an appointment. For real. I'm serious.
Okay, if you say so.
See you. Bye.
Bye.
Good evening, my princess. Welcome back.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you.
You didn't greet my lady.
Oh, she's still here. Why not? Why will I not be here?
So as big as I am, you can notice me because you are blind by tears. I am here to scatter your evil plans.
It's almost 7 p.m. I didn't expect you to still be here.
What? Are you asking me out?
Olivia.
Welcome.
Thank you.
How was your day?
It was good. How was yours?
It was fine.
Okay, what are you cooking?
Oh, I made something sumptuous.
What is it? What is it? Tell me.
Did you see the way your daughter was hugging that ordinary maid? I think I know your daughter's plan. She's trying to make you and that ordinary of a girl.
For the upteenth time.
I will not
Lady
allow
B,
that.
Stop insinuating nonsense. All right? Peace is like a daughter to me.
No, be only daughter. Na school daughter. Secondary school. Girls' high school. You think I don't know? You want me to believe you? I cannot fall for it. Because I know your shubaiko is no respecter of age. So chill. I know your plans. And I will not allow that evil plans to work. Never. Never.
Look, this is becoming utterly exhausting. Please.
Exhausting? I don't understand. What are you trying to do? It's so annoying. I hate this feeling. Now I'm getting emotional.
Oh, please, stop now. This is becoming utterly exhausting.
Oh, what an evil plans they are having against me. It will not work.
Look, don't be ridiculous. What?
Ridiculous? How am I being ridiculous? All right. I think you want me to leave. I will go. But first thing tomorrow morning, I will come back with my bags to stay with my Bobo. I will keep an eye on those tiny little girls. They cannot play this fast one on me. An OG like me, never. It will not work.
We cannot cohabit. Don't be ridiculous. We cannot cohabit. It's against the values I taught my daughter. I told her she cannot cohabit with a man until they're married.
Oh. In other words, you don't want me to come. I know you.
That's not what I'm saying.
Oh, that is exactly what you were saying, because you were planning to do something with that piece. You want to see her pum pum. Is that it?
Will you stop this? Stop it.
Never. Then allow me to
Look,
come if you do not have evil plans.
I do not have any evil plans, all right? Okay. If that is what will put your mind at rest, you can come.
Oh, amazing.
But you cannot stay more than 2 weeks. I just want to prove to you that I have no evil plans.
I shouldn't stay more than 2 weeks.
Yes.
All right. I laughed at already. I'm coming first thing tomorrow morning. I'm bringing my bags. I promise I won't stay more than 2 weeks. But are you sure you are going to enjoy me? I love you, sugar. I love you. Just prepare yourself for me. I will go, but I will return tomorrow as we agreed. And you are going to enjoy this pum-pum. Trust me. I love you, baby boy. Just stay. Prepare your shaboyka for me. I love you. Bye.
God help. Olivia,
Daddy?
maybe you should pray for us.
Let's be self-approved.
Okay, let her finish.
May God bless and sanctify this meal through Christ our Lord.
Amen. I hope God will accept your prayer.
Daddy.
You didn't even thank God for the food. All you're asking is for Him to bless and sanctify.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Thank you.
I want to let you girls know that you might be seeing more of Lady B soon. She'll be coming to stay for a while with us.
You're joking.
Just 2 weeks.
Just 2 weeks.
Don't worry, everything will be all right.
No, Daddy. Nothing will be alright. Daddy, what has come over you? You're the one who is against cohabitation, so what changed?
Well, if it makes her happy and puts her at ease, It's my duty to make my woman feel more secure if she feels insecure.
What about your duty to your daughter? Did you consider me in all of this? Daddy, this woman is taking advantage of your calmness.
Olivia, please don't make an issue out of this. Just let it be. I need peace of mind.
Are you okay? Sir, are you are you okay?
No argument about it. She'll be coming. Don't worry, everything will be all right. Peace.
Yes, sir.
I need you to go to your school and reactivate your admission.
Just relax.
Thank you.
Daddy cannot seriously let that woman into this house. This is not him. Olivia, I understand, but just let things be. You know your father is a gentleman, and he's not going to argue with her. Opposing him might just stress him out. Because this is our house, not hers. I know. Just, all I'm saying is give it a chance. Maybe everything will work out fine. Maybe you grow to get along fine. Maybe you get to love her and she'll love you in return. I'm just saying, just give it a chance, please.
I don't see that happening. Not now, not ever.
You need to calm down, okay? It's your father we're talking about here.
Take my boss inside. Be fast about it.
Madam the madam, respectfully speaking, you should be ashamed of yourself. Coming to cohabit with a man at this age. Huh?
Ashamed of what, exactly? I'm asking you. Because I have a man. Eh? Because I am trying so hard to protect my territory. And to make sure that you don't succeed in your plans. Is that it? Shh. Stop it. Stop being jealous. Go to work.
Don't cause any nuisance. That's all I'm asking. If you're going to stay here, you must as well behave yourself.
Really?
Yes.
Nuisance. Come back here. You look beautiful, by the way. I love your outfits. Wicked. Great-grandmother-in-law. Shoo, fine girl. Nonsense. I will not cause nuisance, I promise. Peace! Peace! Where is that girl? Peace! Peace! Where is that nitwit? Peace! Don't you know your name again? And please stop calling me this man. Should I now call you Anti-Peace or Anti-War? Which one? Welcome. As what? I'm asking you. As what? I'm asking you, as the owner of this house. This is my man's house. Don't tell me welcome. Hi, boo-boo.
Welcome, my lady.
How do I look, boo-boo?
You look awesome.
Now that's what I'm talking about. Ofugi. Oh, now Fugi. Rubbish. What?
Peace. Please take her back to the visitor's room.
As what? As a visitor? And you're busy nodding your head like a lizard. Aren't you the visitor here? Come on, take my box to my boo-boo's room.
That will not happen, my lady.
I beg your pardon.
That would go totally against the values I raised my daughter with. I can never ever allow her to watch us, live in the same room. I mean, as long as we're not married yet.
Now, boo-boo, you sound like a preacher. I know you're not a born again.
Take her back to the visitor's room.
Handle it here! It's very expensive. You can take it to the visitor's room, no problem, but I've got my eyes on you. Little witch. Boo-boo. No problem. I love you.
I love you too.
It's okay. Let me operate from the visitor's room, but know you too well. I got my eyes on you. My eyes. What we got so in the house. Don't mess up. I do not like this room. It's tiny. What is all this? Kilibe godi nwoke. Yes, ne godi nwoke. Etogbu dị na nwoke. Odogwu isi anọ. Odogwu ga na-eje ije na abata. Ogenede. Fine man. Look at your face. Long nose. Cute man. Elelebe jolo kebo. Nekili. Nekini soma. Mmadụ na nwoke. Odogwu, just have a bite. No, that's what I'm talking about. Odogwu foreheads. Watermelon ụmụ nwa. Shawama ụmụ nwa. Kelebe godi nwoke. Kelebe nwoke ọ na-adọ ha na-eme ha akpịrị tom 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 nwoke ọma. Ogenedi. Odogwu foreheads. Ka na-etunu gị nwoke ọma. Let me spray you perfume. Oh, Ogenedi. What's all this? You are super cute. Sugar, take a selfie with me. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Look at the good watermelon. Ogenedi bonka. Esedike one of Isiano. Odogwu foreheads. I love you, sugar.
Oli, come on. You can't keep bothering yourself about things you can't control. Just stop it.
I guess you're right. I don't even know why I'm worrying. I mean, I have peace. I know she will take care of Daddy.
You trust her that much, yeah?
Yeah, I do. Peace is extremely upright. And I know her so well.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
That's great.
And about peace, Ken,
Yeah?
remember I told you that you two make a perfect couple. Listen, she's going back to studying medicine and you need a good wife.
Oli,
Yeah.
stop it. I've told you I'm not interested, so thanks, but no thanks.
What do you mean?
Olivia, you don't even believe in love and you're trying to set me up with love. Who
Eh?
does that?
I does that. I mean, you believe in love. Yes, you do. So I am only trying to work on that belief.
Okay, they play. Help yourself first, okay? I'm good.
Okay. No
I
problem.
beg. I'm good, thank you.
Problem no.
Anyway,
Mm-hmm.
what's it going to be? Are we going to your restaurant or
Mm.
do I go ahead with my plan?
I think I'm going to let you go ahead with your plan. I want to try something new. I'm tired of going to our sports, Jerry.
Alright, I got you. I got you. Hey, Lolly, I was thinking, yeah? Since we don't get to spend much time together, I mean, it's either you're busy with work or you're tired from work.
Yeah.
And now that your father has found a new lovey-dovey thing going on, I can't even visit you at your house anymore. So I was just thinking, what do you think? I feel I can pick you up at home, drop you off at work, then drop you off back at home. I know it will save you a lot of stress from driving, and then I can also get to spend that much time with you.
That's too much. Oh, why do you want to do all that?
No, it's not. What are friends for? Olivia, remember you're my only friend. It's like you've forgotten.
Thank you. Thank you for being the best friend ever. I appreciate it.
It's a friendship.
It's a friendship, my G. I'm famished.
I get you. Don't worry. I'll soon be there.
Goodness. What restaurant do you need me to check Google Map?
No.
You know one in mind?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's this very nice spot I checked out the other day. It's a good spot. You're gonna like it.
Okay. If you say so.
Don't worry. Trust me.
My Odogu. The only Odogu is here, no. Is here full away kwabo. Odogu foreheads. Ezedike. Ne jeje, na bata. Okay, the only fine man.
Daddy? Good evening.
My princess.
What are you still doing here? It's late. You know what? That's enough. Let's go get some rest.
Look at this mannerless girl. Can't you wait for once? So why are you taking your daddy as what? As what I'm asking you? You little great granny mother-in-law. Why are you pulling him? Are you his mama? What is all this? You saw my boo-boo and I having fun and you were busy calling him what's that? Don't even touch him.
Daddy, please, let's
Stay away.
It's okay, my
Nonsense.
princess. It's okay.
It's not okay. It's not. You need rest.
It is okay.
It's late. You need to go sleep. It is late.
It's okay.
Olivia.
It's okay, princess.
Who is that one? Look at that little blacky witch. Now get out. This is family matter. See the way you're vibrating, you will catch fire. Your heart will catch fire. Go get yourself a man. Pa, get out.
Lady Beats, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Nonsense. Little tiny baby witch. Working class.
It's okay.
It's
Okay.
She's keeping Daddy up. It's ridiculous.
Olivia, just let it be. If you continue to intervene, you're going to stress your father out. Okay, just let it be.
Honestly, it's not making any sense. I don't like it.
It's okay.
Yeah, that reminds me. My best friend is coming over tomorrow, and I'd like you to meet him.
Okay. So are you guys dating?
Dating. I'm so done with dating and love since my brutal heartbreak 2 years ago.
I understand. But you don't have to give up on love. Yes. Just try again and who knows, you'll be lucky. if he's a good guy and your friend.
Mm-mm, mm-mm, mm-mm. I am so done. Done and dusted. Cancel me. Take me out of that equation. Not
Okay.
me.
Okay.
So he'll come in the morning before I head to work.
Mhm.
Yes.
What are you up to?
Nothing.
Okay.
Nothing.
My Odogu! Odogu Siano! Odogu forehead! My Odogu Gane Jinabata! Kona Fuda, my little wicked great grandmother-in-law! Odogu Siana! I need you
It's
to hear.
listen. I am tired. My bed is calling me. And I'm sure your mouth is tired too and paining you.
But my mouth isn't complaining. I mean, it's my duty to praise you all day. All right. I must confess I'm tired. So let's go to your room and sleep.
No. I told you I'm setting a good example for my daughter.
What nonsense example is that? There's no need for that. Your daughter is mannerless. Allow her to get a man first. Maybe I should go looking for one man for her. Because I can see she is frustrated.
Listen.
And I hope that little tiny witch of a housemaid will not sneak into your room.
It's almost midnight and everyone is sleeping. I stayed up this late because of you.
Oh, Boo Boo. That's what love is all about. And that's how it should be. I love you so much. Baby, give it to me one more time. That's what love is all about. That's what love is all about. Baby,
Lady
I
B.
am singing for you. All right.
Good night.
Oh, all right. Accompany me to my room first. Be romantic for once.
All right. I'll accompany you to your room. Let's go.
I love you, baby boy. That's what love is all about. Don't you like my voice, baby? I love you, sugar. Baby, you are my heartbeat. Oh, I need you to come sleep with me, baby.
Come. I'll take you to your room.
Oh, my love for you will not die. I love you, sugar. Oh, I love you, baby. That's what love is all about. That's what love is all about. Come home, sugar baby. That's what love is all about.
Lord help me.
Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning, my princess. I hope you slept well.
I did. I just made breakfast, and you can tell me whenever you're ready to eat. But I need to go get ready for work first.
Thank you so much, my princess.
You're welcome.
I am tired. I want to sleep some more.
That's because you stayed up quite late, massaging her insecurity. Daddy, you need to set boundaries with this woman. Tell her to stop the nonsense.
It might embarrass her, you know. She's doing it out of love.
Not every gesture of love is acceptable.
Okay. I just don't want to argue anymore. I need peace.
It's okay. Ken is coming over to pick me up.
Okay, I'll see him some other time.
So you're not eating now?
Have a great day at work.
So you're not eating now?
I'm good. Bye.
Please, just wear it, okay?
Okay, so what's wrong with my own wig?
Nothing. I just want you to have a different look. Easy, easy, easy. Sorry. Careful.
And why am I having a different look to meet your best friend?
No. Just in case.
You're not trying to match me, cause are you?
He isn't a bad choice. Okay, Ken is such a good guy.
Then date him.
Come on. Please. I told you I'm so done with relationship. It's done. Okay, look, just come up and say hi. Just hi. Let me introduce you to each other.
So just introduction.
Mm-hmm. Just
Okay.
introduction.
No problem.
Let me fix this already. Hold on. I need to fix this. Good? Oh. He is here. Hello, 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 hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
My goodness, you look beautiful.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Peace. This is Ken. Ken, peace.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Please, we have to see some other time.
Alright.
Once again, it's nice to meet you.
Same here. Bye.
Okay, please take care of yourself.
You
and of
too.
course, Daddy.
I will.
Mhm.
Have a nice day, okay?
Sure.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Alrighty, we have to go. Please, come on. What?
So, what do you think of her?
She's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, she's pretty.
Oh,
Pretty.
okay. I think I need to do a better job with this whole matchmaking thing.
What else do you want me to say? I said she's fine. She's okay.
Don't tell me you're still hung up with that ex of yours you never liked.
Listen, it's not about her, okay? You know what? If I'm being honest right now, there is someone else. Yep, there is someone else. But I'm not revealing the person yet. I'll reveal the person to you in due time.
Oh, that's a joke.
I'll reveal the person in due time.
What due time now is due time?
And
Ken,
I'll re-
spill. Who is she?
I cannot reveal the person right now. You have to be patient.
Ken.
In due time, Olivia.
Ken, don't play with me.
I'll reveal the person to you in due time, soon enough, okay? Please.
Fine. I guess I'll soon start keeping my own secrets too.
Oh, please. You know you can't. Remember, I'm your safe place now. Especially now that our beloved stepmother has stolen your precious safe place daddy from you. I'm all you got, baby.
So annoying.
I'm sorry. Seatbelt, please. Thank you. Gotta go. Patience, they say, is a virtue. With time, I'll reveal who this wonderful, amazing person is. Trust me, you'll be surprised to know.
Come in.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I hope you slept well.
Yes, I did.
Okay.
You look beautiful, Peace.
Oh, thank you, sir. Olivia made me wear a wig because she wanted me to meet her friend that came to pick her.
Oh.
Yeah.
Aha! Aha! I heard it. Robot! I heard everything. I got you two red-handed. Robot. So this is who you are. Now let me ask you. When was the last time you told me, your woman, that I look so beautiful and sexy? But here you are. Telling this tiny girl how beautiful she looked. Oh, really? So you really dressed to steal, to kill, and to destroy my relationship? I'm asking you!
Lady B, please stop the accusations. Please.
Really? Anti-peace, aka war. I command you, get thee behind me. Now leave my man's room at once. Ah, this is how demons obeyed the voice of an angel.
I need
Robot.
to be alone, please.
Why?
I need to be alone. Can you please leave my room now?
Oh. So because I asked Peace to leave this room, that's the reason you're taking your revenge on me?
I just need to clear my head. Please, I need to be alone.
Robert, but this is not right. That's not nice at all. What did I do? Do you want me to watch her steal my man? That's not possible. Odogu! Odogu, foreheads!
Stop it.
Odogu!
Stop it. Stop it.
Odogu, foreheads. Why? Stop what? I'm praising.
Stop making noise, Lady B. Please.
This is not noise, my Odogu. My Odogu, foreheads.
I've had enough of it. All right? And of all names to call me is foreheads.
Come on, Odogu Isiano. You know, I'm praising you.
Look, stop the shenanigans, please. I want peace. Please.
What? You want? Did you just call that name again, sugar?
I said I want peace.
I thought you said you're not interested in this girl. Why? Why then did you call her name and you want me not to overthink it? How?
Not the maid. I want peace of mind. That's what I said. I want peace of mind.
But that's the reason I'm showering you with praises. Is that not a type of peace?
Just stop it, all right? Don't call me any names anymore.
All right, maybe let me just think of another name. What of Shawama Umongwa?
Oh gosh, how can you even call me that? Stop this nonsense. I've had enough of it. Look, you are becoming lousy and noisy. Stop it. Stop it.
I won't give up. Oh. Now who give up, lose. Okay, if he doesn't like praises, I'll find another way. What is Peace doing that makes him so happy with her? I will do what Peace is doing. I will cook, clean, while Peace can just be lazy. That way, Engineer Robot will know I am a wife material. He will not have any other choice than to hate Peace, send her away. It's been ages since I cooked last. My maids handle everything at home. I barely lift a pin in my own house. How will I cope? Anyway, if that's the only way for me to secure my man, I will do it 1,000,000,000 times.
All right. I have come to take over. Get lost. To do the cooking for my man. To take care of his house. Do all the chores. Of course. Now you, shoo.
Ma, that is my duty.
Your duty to steal my man. I said that's enough. I will take it up from here. Now go.
I need to finish up with what I started.
Get out. Get out.
Okay, just...
No, get lost. Right, Plantain. Odoguisiano! Oh, I'm sorry. You're not Odoguisiano, you're my boo-boo. Please sit.
You're sweating. What's wrong?
Oh, that's because I've been working. I've been cooking, cleaning everywhere, doing all the chores, while that nonsense girl, Peace, is just idle, ugly girl.
Peace is here to do the chores. You shouldn't stress yourself.
Hey,
All right?
Booby, but I'm not complaining. You know, I'm just here to show you that I'm nothing but a wife material. And it's time for us to chase that girl away. Let's chase her into Sahara Desert. Of course, she's no longer needed because I wouldn't want to be seeing her lazy, ugly face around. You see the way I'm sweating? All for you. All for love.
No, it's okay. Don't stress yourself any further.
I love to sing. Singing on the dining. As the food is served, my love is ready to chop, not to eat. I love to sing. I need to feed you. Don't you like my voice anymore? As your love is growing, everything will be fine.
tastes good.
La 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 la. Okay, maybe I'll reduce
Let
the
me
tempo.
enjoy the meal. The meal you prepared.
La 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 la. La 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 la. As you eat the food, it makes me fall in love. La 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 la.
You good?
Yes, yes.
Can I help you?
Thank you.
Oliver has gotten a man. Oliver? How, Oliver? Oliver, you have gotten a man.
Whoa. Now that you have gotten a man, I believe you start being nice to me for once. Young man, congratulations. Thank you for coming into her life. When are you taking her away? Take her out of this vicinity. Take her far. Some other state, another planet, out of this world.
What is your problem?
What did I do wrong? I was just trying to be nice to you. You have a man now.
Are you done?
I am done. Congratulations, sugar. And just be nice. Ugly girl.
She's actually funny. I can't lie. That was funny. I mean,
Yo, romance, please come.
come on.
Stop. Peace.
Hi.
Hi, Sissy.
Hi.
How's your day? It's good.
Good to see you again.
Likewise. Good to see you too. Is that around? I came to see him.
Oh, he's taking a nap, sorry.
Okay, that's fine. I have to be on my way now. We'll see tomorrow. Okay?
No, why don't you just come and wait? I'm sure that you will wait.
I have an appointment to catch. Remember that appointment I told you about? Exactly. All right. See you. Take care of yourself.
All right.
Bye.
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 Yeah. See you tomorrow.
Okay.
Splendid. Well, how's yours?
Bye.
Okay. Good for her. At least you can get enough rest. Then I
Yeah.
keep pushing, man.
See problem. Hi. You know, she really wanted to keep your father. And your father is an amazing man. Any woman in her shoes will do the same.
I know. Ah, that's true. I was thinking, I could drop you off tomorrow at school. Drive you there.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
You're still thinking about that?
Of course.
Aww.
I also have to remind Daddy. I know that with this woman, the whole tension, everybody just forgot about it. So I'll remind him.
Thank you, sis.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
So I'll place her on a scholarship up to any level she wants to study. Then I'll wire 3 million naira into her account for starters.
Daddy, thank you so much. Thank you. Daddy, I need to go share the good news right away. I know she's going to be so excited. I'm coming.
All right.
please. Please. Guess what? Guess.
What?
Daddy said he's sending 3 million naira to you right now.
What? Wait, what? Are you serious? Yes. Oh God. Olivia, thank you.
Please, oh,
Olivia,
what are you doing?
Jesus, Olivia, this means everything to me.
It's okay.
Oh my God.
Thank God, not me. Thank God.
Oh my God. Can I go thank him now?
Yes, you can. He's still awake, I'm sure. You better go now before Lady Insecure wakes up. She's asleep.
Don't call her that now. Madam is only securing her territory.
I hear. I beg.
Okay, let me go now.
Okay. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Come.
Sir, Olivia just told me what she did. Thank you so much. Sir, thank you. No one has ever shown me such kindness since my parents died. Not even my relatives.
It's
So
okay.
thank you.
Please stand up. Stand up. Don't kneel before me. I'm not going.
Thank you so much.
Please, please, please. And please don't cry, okay? It's all right. It's okay.
I just feel like my father is here with me. May I get a hug?
Okay. It's okay. Everything will be all right. Hmm? It's okay.
Thank you.
No way those feelings should come. She's like a daughter. My heart can't possibly be beating for her. Wow. So you're still capable of beating since Tonya passed away. But please, not for her. Please don't do it. She's like a daughter.
Who even sent me in the first place to go and be doing house chores that I've not done for a very long time? All in the name of claiming to be a wife material. Now I don't even know how I'm feeling. My eyes are turning like this whole house will fall. Ah!
God bless Mr. Robert and Olivia for me. I've never felt this kind of love in a long while. I'll feel indebted to them forever.
So because of a man, I have turned myself to a house help. Who even created relationship in the first place? That person must be stupid. Nonsense.
You look good. Careful.
Careful what? If you dare date that side that I've mobbed, eh? You see these your two tiny legs. I will just break your legs, your tiny legs, and use it as firewood.
Hey, excuse me. No one asked you to do any of this. You chose it, so carry your frustration elsewhere.
Just close down your small mouth. Look at this one. Like toy.
You're clearly frustrated. So a little word of advice, woman to woman. No man cares for all of this. Just be yourself. You don't have to fake it.
Oh, really? This it. Oh, you're trying to deceive me, eh? So I'll stop doing what I'm doing so your father will see me as a lazy girl and dump me. Never. And now you want your father to pick up this rabbit. Is that it?
Please, let's just go.
One more word, I'll just...
Hey, don't touch me.
Get out! Now get out!
Wow.
Look at
my
them.
goodness, this
Don't
one
touch
is so
me. Don't
traumatic.
touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Ugly girls. Rubbish. I will keep doing it. I'm a wife material. I will even double it. Rubbish.
Here to wash all of these.
Okay.
What's going on here? What are you doing?
I want Peace to wash these clothes for me.
Oh no. Give it. I'll wash them. I'll wash all of them. Of course, boo-boo. It's my duty to wash everything you have. Your house, your clothes, your panties, your boxers, even your shaboyko. Of course.
Are you sure? You've been cleaning.
It doesn't matter. Peace or war. Get out.
Sir.
Baby, don't worry. I'm going to wash them with my bare hands, not even with washing machine. Honestly, you will realize I'm nothing but a wife material.
You're overstressing yourself, and I don't feel good about it.
Oh, boo-boo. I am glad you care. Thank you, but not to worry. I will do them.
Okay.
Thank you. Sugar, what's going on here? Is it not time for that ugly girl, Peace, to leave this place? Is it not time for her to leave?
Listen, Lady B,
I want her to leave.
my daughter Olivia is my next of kin, and she has every right to my property. I can't tell her what to do. She has the right to retain her.
To retain her?
Yeah.
Did you just say to retain her? Sugar, what are you talking about? I am your love. Oh. All right. I'm sorry. But I know you have a plan. I know what you were planning to do.
You and those tiny girls, but I would not allow it. So what I do now is when I cook, they relax and eat, right? So in their eyes, I'm now a glorified maid. I would not allow it. I think I know how to deal with them.
Lady B, you need to calm down. You are becoming rather toxic.
Oh no! You are the toxic one. You an anti-peace. I would not allow anybody to steal my man. In the first place, what's the big deal of driving that piece away like a piece of trash? Just throw her away, that's it. Ever since that girl stepped her foot in this premises, I have never heard peace. No peace. Rather, it's war. I think I know what to do, like I said earlier. I will handle them my way. You will watch me do it. Because nobody will take what rightfully belongs to me. Never.
She's now a shadow of herself. I know I was never in love with her, but I enjoyed her company. She made me happy, I made her happy. Now all we have left is fights, quarrels and accusations. I wish I could tell her it's over, but I don't want to hurt her. She has sacrificed so much. And now, my silly heart is drawn to peace. I've been cautioning it, but it beats harder and stronger for her. Unfortunately, I can't even let her know, or anyone else for that matter. Maybe I'll take it to the grave.
There's no food left in the pot.
What do you want me to do? If you want to eat or cook, go get yourself a husband. Then when you get to your husband's house, enter the kitchen and cook. Don't forget to take Auntie Peace along with you.
Dad.
Make sure you don't enter that kitchen to cook.
Dad.
Lady B, this is too much.
What?
This is too much.
No, it's not much.
It is too much.
It's what you...
Quiet.
No, but it's what you and your girls are doing that is too much. What's all this? Instead of you to support me, your baby, you're busy supporting this tiny girl.
Daddy, please, don't bother. This is my house. I can as well cook for myself.
Cook where? Oliver!
Hey. Sit down.
Why?
Sit down. Now. Sit down and eat your food.
All right, that's enough. I don't need you girls in my husband's kitchen.
Husband, when did they pay your bride price? Remind me. Huh? Because this is my father's house, my father's kitchen.
This is my Bobo's kitchen!
You know.
Of course! Now you shush.
Don't shush me.
For real?
Yes, don't shush me.
Now shush.
Don't shush me.
One more word from you, I will jam your heads together.
Don't shush me.
Are you daring me?
I said don't shush me.
Hey! I'll push you.
Stop.
Push me? They are pushing me already.
Enough. Stop it.
They're attacking me. They are pushing me.
Stop it.
You would have allowed me to teach those tiny girls a lesson that old soldier never died. Rubbish.
Try it.
One more word from you and I will pinch your
Try
mouth.
it.
I said I'll pinch your
I
mouth.
said stop it! I've had enough! Stop it!
Why are you yelling at me?
I said stop it!
They are beating me. You and your girls are beating me. Even this ugly girl here.
I've had enough. Stop it!
Daddy, can you take your barking dog somewhere else?
Did you just call me that?
Are you not a barking dog?
Did you call me a barking dog?
Barking dog.
Do you want me to blow your mouth? Say that one more time.
Barking dog.
Did you hear that?
Whoa! Hey!
Whoa.
That's enough.
No, let me attack her. You actually called me
That's
that.
enough.
Nonsense. No, you would have allowed me to teach her a lesson. Let me just teach her a lesson. She will not forget in a hurry. Nonsense. Ugly girls. Love is wicked. Anywhere you go, love is wicked. Wherever you go, love is wicked. Love can never embrace me. Love is wicked. Anywhere I go, love is wicked. Go to the living room, love is wicked. Go to upstairs, love is chasing me. No peace, no peace. Oh, love is wicked. Oh, love is wicked. Love is wicked. I hope you will like it. Love is wicked. Anywhere I go, love is wicked.
Is it not better I give up? Not giving up is good though, but if it is for the wrong case, it will never yield any good thing. Taking the wrong road will never take me to my destination, no matter how far I persevere and walk that wrong road. Even if I give up now, it can never take me to my destination. I want to go to Lagos. I can't enter bus going to Aba. No matter how far I go, I cannot reach my destination through that road. It's never too late to retrieve. Beatrice, it's time for me to give up. No, I will never give up. Romeo died for love, but I won't die. My name is not Romeo. I won't die, but I won't give up too. We die here. No, they will die, not me. I won't die, but I will never give up.
Love is wicked. Everywhere I go, love is wicked. Anywhere I go, love is wicked. Love, you must be kind to me one day. Oh, love is wicked. Anywhere I go, love is wicked. This is how Gen Z people used to rock it. Love is wicked. Anywhere you go, love is wicked. Oh, I barely slept last night. Gosh, I need sleep. No, if I sleep more, Bobo will see me as a lazy woman. And that stupid antipiece will now take over the cleaning and take over my Bobo. No, I gotta wake up. Let me show them I'm a wife material. Even if it's my last strength. I need to freshen up now.
Lady B? Lady B, are you okay? Olivia! Olivia!
Yes?
Please come!
What happened?
Lady B! Lady B! Ah! What happened? I don't know, I just...
Daddy!
Lady
Dad!
B, are you okay?
She slumped.
Yes!
Daddy!
Lady B!
Daddy, come.
Daddy! Oh my god.
I don't know what happened to her. Daddy B.
Lady B! Lady B!
Lady B.
What are we going to do?
I don't know.
Call the doctor.
Call-
Immediately.
Daddy, can I use your phone? Hi, Doc. Please, can you come to the house now? Please, just come, please. Okay, thank you.
Is he coming?
Yes.
Sir, her blood pressure actually shot up. So all she needs is rest. With good rest, she'll be fine.
All right.
Jehovah God, if you just give me one chance to wake up, I will run away. Anytime I see the descendant of Adam, I will be grace.
No, I must leave. No.
You can't go anywhere. You can't go anywhere.
Where's my bag?
Relax.
Stay away from me.
Relax.
I need to leave.
You mustn't leave this bed today.
Says who? Because you're who?
You need all the rest for you to be good.
You see this descendant of Adam is not working for me. This relationship is over.
Thank God, though.
Oliver! I heard it. I heard everything you said. Oliver!
I should be leaving.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome, sir.
What kind of doctor is this? And Boo Boo, you're just walking away just like that? Wicked people everywhere.
I need to be ready for work.
Ugly girl. Evil. Oh, just shut it! Which walk? Look at her. Tiny object. Get out! You, come back here. Rabbit. He's all yours now. Of course. I know that you have come to steal Bobo or Dogu forehead. He's all yours. Just take him.
Ma'am, nothing is going on between Mr. Robert and I.
Oh, just shut it! Pretentious character. Do me a favor. Come, let me tell you something. Come, get out. Do I bite? If you get married to Dogu forehead, do me a little favor, just little. I need you to deal with Olivia. Anytime you see her in the morning, give her a hot slap. And that's all.
It's Olivia.
Who the hell do you think you are to correct me? Get out. All right, I need a cup of water. This is my opportunity to sneak out of this hell.
Where are you going? The doctor said...
Oh, just keep quiet. I need to leave now. I reject you.
You can't go anywhere right now because you're still weak.
Allow me to worry about that. Are you in love now?
Okay.
If you're not, then keep quiet.
Can I drop you off?
God forbid! Oh, no! I reject you. I reject your car. I reject your house. I reject your love. I reject you. Get out! Rubbish.
Ma, your water is here.
Oh, just shush you. One more word from you, I will give you a hot slap.
You need to relax. The doctor asked you to rest.
Are you deaf? Nonsense. Rubbish.
All right, can I call your driver?
Nonsense. Remember everything I told you about her. When you finally get married to Forehead Man, make sure you deal with Olivia. Every morning, go to her room and give her a hot slap. That's it. Show her shaggy.
Hello? Yes, you need to come quickly.
Oh, you need to come at once!
Your madam wants you to come and pick her up.
Immediately!
All right.
Nonsense. I hate you. Just because of your love, I almost died untimely. God forbid you. Devil. Nonsense. I was busy falling in love. Now, before you know it, I don't buy.
Would you mind sitting down?
I said hell no! I cannot sit on your couch anymore. I reject you in the name of Jesus Christ, Amen! 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 Now look at me. I look like a mad woman. Now, but when I came to your house earlier, I was just looking like a sweet 16. Because of your love. I almost died. Just because of love. Nonsense. Now you listen to me. I don't need you anymore. You are free to marry her. You're a rabbit. Child abuse. Nonsense. And I will fly and go look for a white man. To get married, I need white love. A man that will worship me. A man that will wash my panties. Nonsense.
Can I walk you to the door?
Don't you ever. You better stay here. Nonsense. Don't touch me. Shush you.
Hold on, let me open the door for you.
Do not open. I can at least open the door and exit. Nonsense. Did I not want you to stay the hell away from me? Shoot. Let's go.
Please? Oh, what happened? She's gone. Wait. She's gone. Yes, she's gone. For good? Yeah, for good.
Are you serious?
My God indeed works in mysterious ways.
Oh my God, we can finally breathe in this house.
Wow. What? Is this what freedom looks like?
You need to see the dramatics here.
What? Is this calls for celebration? But that'll be when I come back from work because I have to go to work now. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye. You can start with the celebration.
All right.
I'll join you when I get back. Wow.
Here, sir.
Thank you, Peace.
You're welcome.
No lecture today?
Oh, none, sir.
Okay.
I wanted to apologize for the chaos I brought into your life. I know it was because of me she was that way.
It has never been your fault. All right? And truthfully, I don't feel bad. I feel peaceful.
Okay. I'm glad to hear that. All right.
Why don't you get a glass of juice and sit with me?
Sir?
Please. I'd appreciate your company.
Okay.
heart is beating fast again. Control your emotions, Robert. It's just a drink. Cheers.
Oh, cheers. Thank you for everything.
You can't keep thanking me, Peace. I'm happy you're here with us. I love having you here.
I love being here with you and Olivia. I don't know, but you two make me feel alive again since I lost my dad. He was my everything. But you make me forget my sorrow. You make my heart leap for joy again.
You must miss him badly.
Yes. Yes, I miss him so much. I used to feel alone and depressed until God sent me to you and Olivia.
Well, I'm here now. Olivia and I will always stand by your side, holding your hands.
Thank you.
Don't thank me.
God really works in mysterious ways. Like, look at how he made everything happen. See, I'm so sure that Daddy will never look at any other woman after this. It'll be just the two of us.
I think I've developed feelings for Mr. Robert. God, help me, cause Olivia will so hate me.
Peace.
Yes?
Why are you not saying anything? Are you not happy? Are you happy you're going to sleep peacefully?
Yeah, I'm very happy.
Of course.
I'm happy.
Oh, me too, me too.
That woman was troublesome. A while I was too
So
much.
troublesome. I know that I'm going to sleep so peacefully today.
Same here. The trouble was too much.
I know. Too much. A lot. Just a lot to handle.
Why can't I stop thinking about her? Maybe I need medical help or psychological counseling. There has to be a way to get over this feeling, because it's so wrong. I just want to hold her tight. I am burning for her. I want to wrap my arms around her. Gosh, this is overwhelming. How long will I be able to control this? It's been 1 month now since Lady B left, and I'm dying to hold my peace. No, this is so wrong. I have to avoid her. Yeah, I have to avoid her. I don't need any medical or psychological help after all. I think I've fallen for her. What a beautiful feeling. Ah. All right. I'll wear this for the first time for her. Okay.
For days now, he's been avoiding me. My heart aches. My heart aches to see him, speak with him. I miss him so much. So much. I want him to see me, see that I dressed up for him. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am.
Okay. You look so beautiful.
Ah, thank you. Thank you so much. Mr. Robert, please, don't leave. I know you feel the same way for me. I can see it in your eyes. Can I get a hug?
You look so beautiful.
Thank you.
Ken,
Sir.
I'm glad that you've done so well. How time flies. I still remember your face as a kid. The one thing I've always liked about you, you've always been ambitious, and it has paid off.
Thank you so much, sir.
A pleasure.
Thank you, sir. My pleasure.
All right, I'll leave you too.
It's great to finally meet you, sir.
A pleasure.
It was a pleasure speaking with you.
Same here.
Thank you, sir.
I'll leave you two now.
Okay, Daddy.
Hey.
What's up?
I'm good. How you doing?
Good job. Fine.
Oli of life.
Mm.
What's happening now?
I do.
Hey, it's weekend.
Mhm.
Let's go and hang out somewhere, party,
Ken, you know me. You know I don't like to socialize.
Oli, come on. You know I've always wanted to spend some unofficial quality time with you. Just us. No work, no distractions. Just you and I.
Hey, that just us.
I'm serious.
Please. But you know I don't like to go out. It's not new. Okay, see what I will do. I'll probably make out time this year to go watch football with you. Well,
Probably.
sometime this year. I don't know when.
Probably.
That's what I can do. But you know what else I can do is I'll call Peace and tell her to hurry home so you two can bond. You know, I'm still testing this my matchmaking thing.
Oli,
Yeah.
stop it. Stop it. I'm serious.
Why you be so serious?
Stop it.
Okay.
This part always gets me.
I know, it's so funny.
I like watching this show. Like, I'll keep watching it over and over again.
Right.
Same here. Hi. I need to go to bed though. I have an early start tomorrow.
Okay.
I should go to bed. Let's go.
I'm not sleepy yet. I just want to get to bed.
Okay then. That's fine. Daddy? Are you not sleepy? You don't want to go to bed now?
Not yet.
Okay, now I have an early start, so let me go get some rest.
Okay. Why don't you put it on the table?
Okay. I have an early start tomorrow, so let me go to
I
bed
thought
now.
you might carry it with you upstairs.
Oh, nah. This can have it. Stay up too late, okay?
Good night.
Good night. Good night, Daddy. Good night. Don't stay up too late.
Sleep well.
I will. You too. Sissy, come soon, okay?
All right. I just wish time could just stop.
Me too. You look so beautiful.
What is this? Olivia. What did I just see? How long has this been going on? I ask you! How long has this been going on? No, you! I brought you into this house. I took you like my sister. And this is what you do. I have been a fool! No. I was protecting my father from others, when the one person I should have protected him from the most is who I trusted. So this was your plan? Huh? This was your plan, right? No, you wanted to use him for his money. So what? So you can build your life back?
Olivia, it just happened. I didn't mean for this to happen.
You didn't mean for this to happen? What then did you mean? I'm asking you! What did you mean? What do you call this? What exactly is this? You were cuddling a man who raised me. A man old enough to be your father? You are disgusting!
Olivia, please. I fell in love. I didn't plan to. I didn't want to betray you. My heart failed me. Oh God, I'm sorry, Olivia.
Same thing here. I tried to fight it, but I just couldn't help myself.
You couldn't help yourself?
I'm in love with her.
Oh, please! I don't want to hear it.
Olivia, I love you.
I don't want to hear it! Now you go in there. Pack your things this minute and leave this house. Or I leave! And leave for good.
Olivia, please, let's discuss this.
Daddy, there is nothing for us to discuss. It's simple. It's either she leaves or I leave. It's your choice.
No. I didn't come to this family to scatter anything. I'll go. I'll leave.
How could you do this to me, Daddy? You know I've always wanted a sister. And now I have one. And I just lost her because of you. Because of your selfishness.
Ollie, what's up? You couldn't even wait for me to be done with the gym. Are you okay?
Not.
Hey, what's going on?
Can you imagine? My so-called trusted friend, Peace.
She used me to get close to my father and now they are claiming they're in love. It's absurd.
Olivia, have you thought about the fact that maybe she's truly in love with your father? I mean, not everything is a calculated betrayal.
What are you saying? Are you for me or you're against me?
I'm not taking sides, Olivia. I'm just tired of you making people feel miserable just because someone broke your heart 2 years ago.
Gee, where's this coming from?
Olivia, I am not your G. Okay? Let's get one thing straight now. I am not that guy. That cute little guy you've always known from childhood. No, I'm not that guy anymore. Olivia, I'm in love with you. I've been in love with you since we were kids. But then I thought it was just childhood friendship. I traveled abroad for school, and none of my relationship could work out because I kept thinking about you, Olivia. But then you were in a relationship with this guy, madly in love with this good-for-nothing loser who never even cared about you in the first place. When I heard he broke your heart, I left everything I was doing over there and came back to Nigeria. I came back for you, Olivia. Because I am in love with you. And I want us to work out. But then you shut your heart. For 2 years, Olivia, you friend-zoned me. I sat and watched you close the door to your heart like a vault. And whenever I dared to tell you how I feel about you, you just shut me off. Olivia, you keep blaming everybody but your ex. You forget that not everyone is your ex. Some people actually, truly care about you, truly love you. And now peace. What did she do? She found love. What do you intend to do? You intend to shut her up too? Saying you said peace is trustworthy. She's a woman of integrity. So what changed? What changed? Listen, Olivia. I'm going to be honest with you. You need to heal. You need to heal so you don't destroy everyone who truly cares about you. As much as I hate to say this, I'm done being your G. I want something real with you, Olivia. I can keep pretending just to be close to you.
Dad, you neither touched your breakfast nor your lunch. And you haven't come downstairs since I got back home 2 hours ago. Daddy, you're always with me in the kitchen while I cook, we talk. And you say it's your favorite part of the day.
The house. It's been quiet. Too quiet. Since peace left, it feels empty.
You didn't feel this way when Lady B left. You moved on.
That's because I wasn't in love with Lady B. I liked her. She was pleasant company. But with peace, it was different.
Dinner is ready. I made spicy yam porridge, just the way you like it.
I've lost my appetite.
He hasn't eaten in 2 days. Not even water. He just sits there like a shell. Like someone ripped the light out of him. Is it the money?
Olivia, no. It's not the money. It never was, and it never will be. Look, I know you feel betrayed by me. You took me as a sister, and I went behind your back to do things with your dad. I know how it looks, but it was never my intention to hurt you. Olivia, this may look absurd, unheard of. I can't even explain it. I don't know what to say. I don't know how to explain it to you, but I really do care for your father. And I love him.
Promise me. Promise me that you will never hurt him. Not now. Not ever.
I promise. I will never hurt him. And I will never hurt you. I promise on everything.
Will you come home?
Yes. Yes. Thank you so much.
I'll get you back.
Okay.
Dad? Dinner is ready. Please come downstairs.
Not hungry.
What if I feed you?
You came back. You came back to me.
I never left.
Ken,
Yes?
it's Olivia. I just wanted to ask if you're free tonight for dinner.
Yeah, absolutely.
Would you like to be my date? And would you also like to come pick me?
Yes, of course, Ali. Of course, yes, please.
Okay. See you later. What's this one?
Yeah, it's nice.
This one, see?
Wow. Are you serious?
You're traveling, you can do this.
Unbelievable.
Hello.
Oh!
Wow.
Good day, sir.
Ken, always a pleasure.
Always a pleasure, sir.
Daddy.
Hi, peace.
I haven't seen you this happy.
What can I say? It's love,
Okay.
a little bit of ginger tea, fresh fruits,
All right.
and lots of kisses every morning.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
And come to think of it, you almost sent her away.
I'm glad I didn't. You know, I have actually learned something this past year. Love doesn't always show up the way we expect. It can crash in unannounced in different ways between unlikely people. And sometimes it's not about age, logic, and timing. It's about peace. Kind of fills the house, the heart, and our lives. And honestly, watching you too, I get to see what true unfiltered love looks like. And it is so beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you. I can't believe it's my daughter saying all this.
You know what? I think it's time to, of course, with your permission, sir.
Oh, please, my goodness.
Go ahead.
All right.
So let everybody.
Thank you. Don't worry, just go ahead. It will come up on its own.
All right. There you go. Whoa, that's it. All right. Make sure this first.
Yes, that obviously.
Thank you.
Careful.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Don't worry.
Okay, so you have this. That's it.
All right.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, a toast to love in its odd, messy, beautiful forms.
Toast to
To your upcoming wedding, a beautiful home, and lots of wonderful grandchildren for me.
Amen to that.
Of course. Amen. Amen to that.
Amen to that.
Hmm.